almost summer, and our dolls need a new pool. So we're going to make a pool using popsicle sticks. You all said you had popsicle sticks, so let's use them. We will also need clear plastic from packaging. I found a large doll box that we are going to use for the bottom of the pool. The larger your box, the bigger your pool. And this is a great opportunity to recycle. Carefully remove the rest of the packaging so only the clear tray remains, making sure to remove stickers and everything. Measure the side of the box. This is a little over 2 1/4 inches. Take popsicle sticks. Using floral wire cutters, I cut off the ends. This can be a little time-consuming, so you've been warned. After cutting several, I make a mark at 2 1/2 inches, cut on the line drawn. Now that we have several different sizes, we can make the support base for the pool. Stack and glue several uncut popsicle sticks to make a platform that is slightly larger than the bottom of the plastic. Take the 2 1/2 inch popsicle sticks and glue them around the edge. Glue some to the top to cover the raw edge to make a tray to hold the plastic. After we cut the 2 1/2 inch popsicle sticks, we had leftovers. I'm going to glue them around the edge of the plastic container. Going all the way around, I glue popsicle sticks around the edge of the inside, then the inside top edge, the outside edge, making sure that the plastic tray can still be removed. Cover the inside with water scrapbook paper. I use a glue stick on the back of the paper, then glue it to the popsicle sticks. To make it look like the pool is filled with water, place the plastic inside to protect the paper so you can pour real water inside, so the dolls can use their floaties. We have leftover popsicle sticks, so let's make a deck. Cut a piece of poster board, glue on the popsicle sticks, staggering them to make a hardwood floor. Glue popsicle sticks underneath for support. Take the 2 1/2 inch popsicle sticks and glue them around the edge. Then glue a few around the edge to make a platform to go on the side. I take a piece of cardboard, place the pool and deck on top to design a floor plan, using a pencil to trace around them. Cover the exposed areas with scrapbook paper, then glue the pool and deck into place. I'm going to add a few more popsicle sticks to clean up those edges. To fill in this space underneath the pool, I add artificial plants. I found super jumbo popsicle sticks at Walmart. I cut off the ends, glue them together at an angle, glue another one into the side on both sides. Add another one going up, out to the sides, another one across the top to form stairs. Add more to reach the desired height. Trim off the excess to make stairs for the deck. Cut a piece of poster board to go along the front. Glue down popsicle sticks to make a sidewalk. These are giant craft sticks. I cut off one end, lay several side by side, glue cut popsicle sticks going across to connect them. I made it the same length as the walkway, turn it over, glue it to the back of the cardboard. I add a couple of popsicle sticks behind the pool and deck for support to make a fence. Add a few more bushes to the back of the deck and at the bottom of the fence on the other side. I think this is a very nice looking yard, but we need one more thing. I take some cardboard and draw large rectangles to cut out. And remember to always have adult supervision when working with sharp objects. I have two. I cover one with scrapbook paper to use as a back wall, and the other one I cut jumbo popsicle sticks and glue them on, staggering them as I go to make a large hardwood floor. Glue the wall to the floor, glue popsicle sticks around the edge. I found a pack of square wooden dowels. I glue 3 across one side, cut a piece of clear plastic from packaging, glue it to 2 of the wooden dowels, but only on one side. Use a smaller wooden dowel to cover the edge, cut and cover a strip of cardboard, glue it across the top to make a pool house. So the dolls have a place to go inside to get out of the sun. Add furniture from previous crafts to make it cozy. One of our pool lounge chairs on the deck. I'm gonna add another staircase to balance out the look, to give our dolls a fun place to spend the summer. This took me about 2 days to build, mainly because of all of the cutting. But it is a great way to use those popsicle sticks you have stored in the craft room. And our pool really holds water! And we can carefully remove the tray to empty the water. Or we can stay water-free and use one of our faux water techniques. Thank you for joining us. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and the Frog Vlog. And you're done. Happy crafting!
We will never give up. I feel so lost and confused. Tell me why we have to hit the ground when it's easier to fly. Higher, 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 higher. Why do we have to fall back down? Hold my hand and I'll take you.
We want to give a shout out to Hawk Girl Gamer. What's up? Sophie, what are you doing with a suitcase? Are you going somewhere? I'm moving into the pool house for the summer. But Sophie, the pool house doesn't have a kitchen. Good point. I'm moving back into the house.